I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've had a flight cancelled with American Airlines, getting your refund can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check your flight status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather your information. Collect all necessary details, including your booking reference, flight number, and personal information. This will make the refund process smoother. Step 3. Visit the refund page. Go to the American Airlines refund page on their website. Look for the option specifically for cancelled flights. Step 4. Submit your refund request. Fill out the refund request form with your details. Make sure to double-check everything before submitting to avoid delays. Step 5. Monitor your refund status. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund status. It may take a few days for processing, so be patient. Remember, if you book through a third-party site, you might need to contact them directly for your refund. Good luck, and I hope you get your money back quickly.